the recording. So today we will first see as what are the topics we have covered so far, and then what are the topics we will be covering for this week. We will see. So in Java level, we all know actually what is a data type, what is a variable we have seen. Then we also see in actually what different types of variable. What is the difference between a global and then a local? Global means there are two types of variable. One is static, another one is non-static. Static variables will have a single copy. So the standard practice to refer them with help of the class name. Non-static numbers always will have multiple copies. That is each and every time whenever we create an object, a copy will be created for it. Okay, that is a default value will be always taken. So always non-static members can be referred only with help of the reference of object name. Same thing, local variables, any variable that has been declared inside a block or inside a function is called as a local variable. Those variables will be directly accessed with help of the variable name. That's what we have seen. Then we know what is a method or a function. That is in methods over there. That is, we have two varieties that we need to know. First is a default method. The second one actually what? The method with arguments. Then third one is actually what? The methods with return type. Okay, so these are the three things. One, return type means when we are going to call a method, it performs some operation and then returns a value. So that is what return type. So the arguments, whenever we are calling a method, I can pass some value to the method. That's what methods with arguments we have seen. Okay, so static and non-static difference we know, and then after that we have already seen static initialization block, and then we know constructors. Okay, so these are the things still now we have seen. So anyone has any questions so far? Okay, string concatenation basics we know. So today we will just see a detailed step over there for the concatenation we will see. Then we will see for the post increment and then the pre-increment. Okay, all those things we will see today. Any questions for anyone on the topics which we covered? Everyone is clear on that part? Just reply as yes if you all are clear on that part. I want a reply from everyone.
Hi, Murli.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Related to constructor.
Okay.
Yesterday, I was watching one video. In that, they are telling for constructor modifiers is available for that access specifier. Like
correct. That is package access modifier. So that is what here. So that we will be looking on it later.
And in that video, they are explaining about the super method. Super keyword. So
correct.
I got out.
Correct. So to understand the super keyword, this keyword and all, first we need to understand the inheritance topic. Then only we can understand actually what the usage of super keyword and this keyword. I'm going in a proper the flow, so that actually what you guys will be understanding whenever I explain each and every topic, right? I want you to feel more comfort. So that's why I'm going in one flow, so step by step, so that you will understand the topics in an easier way. That's what, as it will be a small jumbled in my side, but you will understand the topics in an easier way. That's what I'm doing. Okay, right?
Okay.
Those topics are there that which we need to cover. We have in our list over there.
Yeah.
This is what you were asking, super and this keyword. Okay. Any questions, guys? Anyone has any questions so far? Good. Okay. So next thing we will go for string concatenation. Okay. So before going to the string concatenation, first we will see the basics. So right now we have two numbers, 100 plus 200. What is the value it will be giving means 300. 100 plus 200 will give me 300. Okay. Then hello is a string, world is a string. We are trying to add both the strings. Whenever we are going to add a string, Okay, to another string or a number or anything, the output will be actually what? Both will join together, and then it will be called as concatenation. See, hello world joined together. Hello is a string, 100 is a number. So now what will happen? It is hello 100. So here 100 is a string, 200 is a number. Okay, anything comes in double quotes we know is a string. 100 plus 200 will give us 100 200. That is, it is concatenated. Okay, anything added to a string will be concatenated. Always the execution flow will go from the left hand side to the right hand side. Okay, see now 200 plus 100. Now what will happen? It will be 200 100. Both will become as a string. 100 plus 300 plus 500. So left hand side to right hand side. 100 plus 300 will be 400. 400 plus 500 will become as 400 500. Got it? 100 is a string. 100 plus 200 will become as 100 200, which is a string. 100 200 plus 300 will become as 100 200 300. Got it? This is what you guys have to know whenever you're going to start with the string concatenation. This is the maximum information that you need to know about string concatenation. Everyone is clear on this part? Good. So now I'll ask you guys. So we have three string variables. One is x, y, and z. X is hello, y is world, z is 100. Then we have two integer variables, 100 and 200, which is stored in a and b variable. Okay, so I want the output for this. So it's like you guys are going to help me. Hey, hi Bella, you there? Hey, hi Jagdish, you there?
Hi.
Oh yeah, hey, hi Bella. Can you tell me x plus y, what will be my output?
Hello world.
Hello world, yes.
Hello world.
X is hello, y is world. So hello plus world will give me actually what?
Hello world.
Hello world. Both will be joined together. Yes. A plus B?
300.
Yes. 100 plus 200. It's a known thing. Okay, thank you. Hey, hi Arpita.
Yeah.
Can you explain me what is x plus a?
Hello
Hello.
plus 100.
Correct. So that gives me?
Hello 100.
Yes. Hello 100. The next one?
Yeah. Hello plus world plus 100 plus 200.
Correct. Hello plus
World
plus
plus
100 plus 200.
200.
Yes. Now what will be the output?
Hello world plus 300.
No. Left hand side to right hand side. Correct. So
Yeah.
hello plus world become as?
Hello world.
Correct. Hello
Plus,
world. Correct. Hello world plus 100
plus
now?
100 is
Number. So
number. Yeah.
left hand side to right hand side, right? So first hello plus world become as hello world. Then hello world plus 100 will become as hello world 100, because anything added to a string will be concatenated. Then hello world 100 is a string plus 200. Now what will happen? It will become as hello world 100 200. Got it? Understood?
Yeah.
Good. Hey, thanks Arpita.
Yeah.
Hey, hi Renika, you there?
Yeah, yes, Murli.
Can you tell me for the next one? A
Okay.
plus B plus X plus Y.
100 plus 200
Yes.
plus hello
Yes. Plus hello
plus world.
world. Yes.
So the output will be 300,
Yes.
double quoted 300,
Yeah.
hello world.
Correct. Why actually what it becomes as 300 now?
Because it is an integer.
That is execution starts from left hand side to right hand side. 100 plus 200 both are numbers. So that becomes as 300.
Okay.
Then 300 plus hello, that becomes as
hello world.
Yeah, 300 hello will become as a string plus world, that becomes as 300 hello
Yeah.
world. Okay, good. Very good. Thanks.
Yeah. Only one doubt I have.
Yes.
So whenever that will print on the console, it
Yeah.
will print with a double quoted or just 300 hello world?
Only 300 hello world.
Okay, fine.
Okay. That
Yeah.
only for our understanding, we are just keeping it as a string.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Good. Hey, hi, Shravan. You there?
Yeah, hi.
Can you tell me for the next one, Shravan?
So first it will take X value, so hello,
Yeah, hello.
hello, plus 100,
Hello plus 100.
100 plus Y world,
Yes, it's world.
okay.
Yes.
Then plus 200.
Yes.
So it will print hello 100 plus that word. So hello 100 world 200.
200. Yes. The next one.
Next one X the hello
Hello.
plus again 100.
Yes.
Then 200 plus 200 plus world.
Plus world. Yes.
So now it will be hello 100.
Yes. Hello 100.
Again it will be concatenated with 200. So hello 100 200 world.
Super. Why it is not hello 300 world? Why it is hello 100 200 world?
Because it's already executed there from left side. So hello 100 will become one string. So after,
Super.
for that it will add 200.
Awesome. Super. Good. So hello 100 will become as one string. Then hello 100 200 will become as one more string.
One more string.
Then
And
after that hello 100 200 word. A good man. Super. So next a plus x plus y plus b. So I'll ask a hi Sanket.
Yeah, Murali.
Can you tell me what will happen? The output.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, 100. Sorry. 100.
Yeah, A is 100.
100. And hello. And word plus word
Yes.
plus 200.
Super. Good.
It
So
will
now
become 100 hello word 200.
and hello world 200. Yes. Good man. So next, I'll ask. Yeah, Britannia, can you tell me the next one? What will happen? Okay. Hey, hi Tony. Hi
Yes.
Tony, you there? Yeah. Can you explain me the next one?
So it's going to be 100
100.
plus hello
Hello.
plus 200
200.
plus world.
Yes. Plus world. Super. The output will be.
It's going to be 100 hello 200 world.
Yes. 100. Hello. 200 world. Super. Good man. Can you tell me the next one? Explain me the next one.
Right. So it's going to be hello
Hello.
plus 100
Yes. 100 plus
200
200.
plus world.
Yes. Super. What will be the output?
And then it's going to be hello plus 300 plus world.
Super. So can you tell me why it's hello 300 world right now?
Because of the parenthesis that does the
Yes.
calculation first.
Correct. That takes the priority. So whenever we have inside a parenthesis, so first it does an action of this, then after that the output will be given over here outside. So that's why it is hello 300 world. Got it? Very good, Tony. Thanks, man. Understood, guys? This is a very basic thing, actually, which we will be using it in our strings. But it is so important. It is mandatory that actually we always use string concatenation in our actually execution. So simple. We have an application. We are reading some information from actually the application in using Selenium. That return will be like a string only. Okay, so we always actually return some values from it, means we also used to convert that to a number. A string can also be converted to a number, and 100 which comes as a string over there, if I want to convert to a number then do action, that also can be possible, which we'll be doing it later. Okay, So main thing is, it is so important that you need to know only these part. Whatever we learned, if you know, that is more than enough. You will be good in the string concatenation, everything. Okay, good. Okay, so we are done with string concatenation. The next thing is, we are going to see about today the post increment and then decrement. Okay, post or pre increment and decrement over there. That's what we are going to see. So simple information over here, but it's so good to learn. Okay, and important also to learn over here. Okay, so there are two types of operator. One is binary, another one is unary. So binary operator is the one still now we have used everywhere. So that is simple, 10 plus 20 or a plus b with operands. Okay, so we will be having only one operator but two operands. Okay, the a plus b is a variable or something which is going to hold me a value. We are going to do an action on that. Got it? So that is the main thing. Okay, so always binary thing means actually what, it will have two operands and then one operator. Okay, so it holds two values and then it does an action based on the operator whatever it is given. Okay, unary means, okay, it has two operator but only one operand. Okay, so this is my variable and then it going to do an action based on this actually operator. Okay, so two operators, so that means I plus plus means what, means so simple, it is I plus 1. Minus minus I means so simple, it's going to actually what, minus actually what, I value by 1. It is going to increment but it's going to decrement. The only difference what means, so whenever plus plus comes, okay, so here if you see post increment or decrement. Okay, post increment or decrement, how it will be means so simple, I plus plus, it is post increment. Same thing, I minus minus, it is post decrement. Okay, the same thing. This is pre increment or decrement. That means plus plus I plus plus, sorry, minus minus I. Okay, that means post increment means the plus symbol will come post the variable. Okay, that is after the variable. Pre increment means it will come before actually what, the variable. Okay, the increment or decrement will come before it. Post means after that it will come. What is the difference of this thing means? Okay, so simple. I plus plus means what will happen? First, it will actually what, store the value to the I memory location. Then after that, it increments or decrements. Okay, first it stores the I variable value into the memory location. Then after that only actually what, it do an action. Pre-increment means first do the action, that is do the addition or subtraction, then after that the added or subtracted value put to the I memory location. So you are first actually what, having the I memory location as it is, then we are going to actually what, do the action. Here do the action, then only actually what, it's going to store the value to the I memory location. That's it. I know that you might be having a small confusion. Now you can get it clear, no worries. I'll show you with examples. It'll be so easy for you understanding. See now. Post or pre, increment or decrement. Okay, so we're going to see the output of this one. Okay, So how? So first thing, we have high memory location, and then we have J memory location. This is I, this is J. The I memory location value is 0. Okay, so here int J equal to plus plus I plus plus I. So whenever the operator comes at the beginning, plus when it comes, first we need to increment the I value. Okay, so what is the I value right now? It is 0. I'm going to increment it by plus 1. I value will be incremented by plus 1. Then now take the I value 1. Then plus I. Now again what will happen? Plus is there at the beginning. So again first increment the I value by 1. That is 2. Got it? Then after that actually what? Take the I value, that is 2 right now. So now the J value will be 1 plus 2, that will be 3. Got it? So simple. Whenever plus comes over there, first increment the I value by plus 1. Then after that take that value. Okay, that's what we did. The same thing right now in case if it is, see now, I value will be actually what? 2, J value is 3. See, I value is 2, J value is 3. The same thing I'm going to give right now. I plus plus, I plus plus. So before it was like actually what? Plus I plus I. Okay, say now. So now what is the output for this? So my I value is what? 0. Okay. Then I plus I plus plus. So first I comes. So that means take the I value. What is the I value right now? It is 0. Then now actually what? Increment the I value by 1 plus 1. Then after that the next thing I plus plus. So first what is the I value right now? It is 1. First take the I value. Then after that now increment the I value by 1, that is 2. Got it? So now we have incremented the I. 0 plus 1. What is the J value right now? It will be 1 for me. Understood? See now. So I value will be actually what? 2. J value will be 1. Okay. The only difference is based on the operator, you will come to know whether you have to increment first or you want to actually what, take the I value first. Okay. Any point of time, we are going to do the increment. But the only thing is based on in which location it is present, we will decide whether to take the I value first and then increment or first increment and then take the I value. That's the one thing. Got it? Is everyone clear at this part? So what will happen when it is plus I? What will happen when it is I plus plus? Everyone is clear on this part alone?
So they always come with double pluses or double minuses?
Yes, correct. Because unary operators means always actually what? It will be having actually what? 2 operators, only 1 operand. That is what? Unary operator. Always comes with 2 operator and then 1 operand. Clear, Tony? Yes.
Murli, I have doubt with that second part.
Yes.
Pre-increment.
Yes. This is pre-increment.
Post-increment.
Yeah.
I have doubt.
Yes, tell me.
That's what I have doubt about
So
that
you want
explanation.
to, sure, good. So first I value is what? 0.
0.
Okay. Then I plus plus. So now what will happen? First I is coming. So that means what is the I value right now?
0.
0. So take the I value 0 now. Then next is what? Plus plus. Now I need to increment the I value by plus 1.
1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then after that,
Yeah.
plus. Now again I plus plus. So what is the current I value now? 1. So 1 will be taken. Then after that plus plus. Now increment the I value by plus 1. That is 2 now. Got it?
Okay.
Then 0 plus 1 is what?
Yeah,
1.
yeah.
That will come to the J. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
The same thing once again I'll do for this so that you'll be clear.
So the total J value will be 1 only, or like
because 0 plus 1 is there, right? It is 1. So that will be stored into the J variable. Got it?
Okay.
So same thing now here. Plus plus I. So first, sorry, what is the I value? Initially it is 0.
0.
So plus plus I. So that means first actually what? Increment comes. That means first increment the I value by plus 1. That will become as 1.
Yeah.
Then after that, take the I value. That is 1. Then plus. Then plus plus I. Again, increment comes first. So increment the I value by plus 1. That is 2. Got it?
Yeah.
Then after that actually what? I. Take the I value now. That is 2.
Yeah.
1 plus 2. That will be actually what? Need to be stored into the J variable. That is 1 plus 2 is 3.
Okay.
Clear? Clear for everyone?
Now, hold on. Let me go back to post increment.
Yes.
Well, if I were doing it, I was going to declare I as 0 because I only see 0 for I, but J equals I plus 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 I plus plus. So I was going to solve.
Yes.
I will think J has more than one digit.
No. It is like this. So I plus plus. So it takes the value of I plus plus. So what is the I value right now? It is 0 at the beginning. Then after that, it will increment my I value. So 0 plus 1 is 1 year. Correct?
Right, but we're solving for I, right? I equals just 0.
Sorry, come again?
We're solving I, right? I, integer I, and it says 0 in it. So why we go to J to solve I again?
No. It's like the addition of actually what these two values will be my J variable value.
Right.
So
but you put the result will go into I box.
No, result will go to the J box because integer J is equal to this value. That is, we are initializing this value to this J variable.
Okay, so how I ended up with increments of 2 when it's
because here I plus plus there. So I is what? It's my variable. So this place says actually what? Increment the I variable value by plus 1.
Okay.
So here also actually what we are trying to increment the I variable value by plus 1. The only thing, both the things are going to increment by 1. But only information is whether I need to take the incremented value or I need to actually what? Take the first I value, then do the increment. Whether I need to, both the places we are going to take the I value here. The only information is whether I need to take the incremented I value or I need to take the I value and then do the increment. That's the difference here for the post and pre. Got it?
Okay, yeah, thanks.
Any questions for anyone, guys? Okay. Yeah. Yes, Angit.
Can you make a combination of both?
Yeah. The next question, I will make it the combination of both.
Yeah, sure.
So the thing is, first, I want every one of you now take a paper and pen. The same step how I followed right now, I want you to do it. Got it? The same step how I followed, I want you to do this. So take a paper and pen and then do this both. I keep it over here. So do both for the pre-increment and then the post-increment. Take a memory location box and then do one by one, whether check whether you're getting the same output, and then see what is that you're done. Okay, so I'll give you 5 minutes of time. So 8:15 we will again connect. Okay, I want everyone to do take a paper and pen and then do this for sure, because once you understand this basic, the rest becomes easier for you. Okay, cool. So again we will meet by 8:15, a 5 minutes break. Thank you. I guess everyone able to do that? Are you getting the same output? Okay, good. So now we will execute the next program. So we'll see how many of them are able to do this. Okay, now we'll see what is the output for I and then what is the output for J. This is my I and this is my J. Okay, so first I'll start with Arpita. Hey, hi Arpita.
Yeah.
Can you tell me, so what will be the output for this? So initially I value will be what?
1.
1, correct.
Mm.
Now what will happen?
In memory, it will be 2.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. So it is I plus plus.
Plus
That means
plus.
it is post increment.
Mm.
Correct. So
Mm.
I plus plus means what will happen?
The output will be 1.
That means here I will have 1.
1, and in memory, then it will increment in memory.
Correct. It will increment the I value by plus 1. That is, now it will become as 2.
2.
Super. Hey, good. Hey, thanks, Arpita. Next, Bella, can you tell me next what will happen?
So now I value will be 2.
Correct.
And in a memory it will become 1.
Correct. It will decrement by -1 because I minus minus. So first take the I value, then decrement it. So it will become as 2 minus 1 is 1. Super. Hey, good. Hey, thanks, Bella. The next thing, hey, hi, Dabitata. Can you tell me now what will happen?
Okay, now the I value will decrement first, then it will
Correct.
be incremented there. So
Awesome.
I
So
value-
first I value will be decremented. Why?
because it's minus minus, it's pre decrement,
Correct. So now it becomes as -1, that become as 0.
and the 0 will be there at
Correct.
2 minus 0.
Super. Yeah, awesome. Good. Then plus. Next. Hey, hi Jagdish. You there?
Yeah.
Hey Jagdish. Now can you tell me what will happen now? Plus plus I.
It'll be 1.
That is, here it will be 1, or first what will happen? Plus plus I means.
So it will be increment by 1.
Correct. First, the I memory location will be incremented by 1 because plus plus comes first. So that's why it will increment the I value by plus 1.
Yeah.
So then it will take the I value here, 1. A good man. So next, hey, hi Jayesh, you there?
Yeah.
Hey, Jayesh.
So minus. So this is again pre-increment. So
Yeah.
in memory, 1 will become 2.
Correct. In the memory location, first it will be incremented by plus 1. That becomes as 2. Yes.
And then it will be come over here and it will be 2.
Correct. Awesome. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Hello. Any doubt?
No.
Good. Super. Good, Jayesh. Hey, hi, Prajna. Prajna, can you tell me next? What will happen now?
As it is post increment,
Yes.
so first we will take 2 value.
Super.
And
Then
in memory it will increment to 3.
3. Yes. That's it. Hey, hi, Tony. Tony, you there?
Yeah,
now can you tell me for the next one what will happen?
So it will be decreased by 1.
Correct. So I minus minus, that means what? It's a post or a pre-increment? Sorry,
Yes.
post decrement. Correct.
Right. So it'll be 2 as an answer.
So here first it will take the I value. So what is the I value right now?
I value was 3 and the
Yes. First it takes
box.
the I value, then only
Right.
decrement.
Decreases by 1.
Correct. That's it. A good man. Super. Is everyone clear on the post increment and then the pre increment? Everyone clear on this part? So now it will be 1 plus 2. It will be 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. The J value finally it will be 7 for me. See, we'll execute. So my I value is 2, J value is 7. Got it? Everyone clear on this part, guys? Can everyone ping me as yes if you understood? All are clear? Super, good. So another one more program we'll see. The same concept. So what is my I value and then what is my J value? Okay. So initially my I value will be what? 0. So now what will happen? Hey, hi Shravan. You there, Shravan?
Yeah, it is.
Can you tell me now what will happen?
So first it will decrement. So currently the I value is 0, so it becomes -1.
Superb. So first it decrements the I memory location.
Yeah.
Becomes
So it
as
will -1. Then it will take the value there, -1 value.
yes. It will be -1 here. Superb.
Okay,
Then plus a good
plus.
one. Hey, hi Sanket. Can you tell me next what will happen? Sanket, you there?
Yes, Murali.
Now what will happen?
So it will print -1 and it will increment to 0.
So I plus plus. That means what will happen now? It will first take the
-1.
I value as -1 here.
And it will increment to 0.
Correct. It will increment +1, -1 plus 1 becomes as 0 now.
Yes.
Super. A good one. So next. Hey, hi Tony, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Tony, can you tell me for now what will happen? I minus minus?
Right. So it's a post increment and then the 0. So it's going to be a -1.
Yes. So first 0 will be taken here. Then?
Right. And then the -1, -1.
-1 will be here. Super. Tony, can you tell me for the next one also?
Okay. And then it's going to be plus, it's a post, I mean, it's a pre-increment. It's going to be 1 plus 1.
So plus plus I means first what action will be done?
That would be a 2.
No, it is -1 now in the.
No, I'm talking about the plus I is right. So the answer will be 1.
Here it will be 1. No. So plus plus I means what will happen? Pre-increment. That means the I value will be incremented by +1.
Okay, by 1, right.
So already my I value right now it is -1. -1 plus 1 becomes as
0.
0 here. Got it? Then my I comes. So that means here it takes I value. What is the current I value right now? It is 0. 0 will be taken. Okay, good. Tony, the next one, plus plus I.
Okay, that would be 1. It will take the value of 1.
So what will happen first? Plus plus means?
It's going to take the increment.
Yes, it's first it will increment the memory location of I. So by
Right.
plus 1, already it is 0. 0 plus 1 will become as
The 1.
1. Correct. Yes. Then
Then you have a 1 down there.
yes. Then here it will be 1. Then I minus minus. So now what will happen?
So it will decrease it by 1.
No, I minus minus. So that means first we have to take the I value. What is the I value right now in the memory location?
The I value is 1.
Yes. So first we have to take the I value here.
Okay. So
Then minus minus. Now what will happen?
so it's going to decrease
The memory location by minus 1. Already it's 1. 1 minus 1 will become as
0.
correct. Super. So minus 1 minus 1 it will be minus 2. Then minus 2 plus 1 it will become as minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 becomes as 0. So I value is 0 and then j value also it's 0. Got it? So everyone clear on this part, guys? The post and pre-increment and decrement. Everyone is clear? Okay, awesome. Super, good guys. So I'm going to give you the assignment. So 2 assignments I'm going to give you. The last, these 2 programs plus another one. So here little bit I have tried to confuse you, not a big thing. A small level I made you to confuse. So what will be the output for these things? What will be printed like that? Okay, I don't want you to execute first. I want you first to take a paper and pen, create the variables I, X, Y, Z, everything. So you execute one by one, what will be the output will be printed for everything. I want you to note that. Then run the program, you will come to know whether how much you have understood it. If it is not correct, once again you do it. Okay. And again the same programs, whichever we executed today, make sure you execute that also. Okay. Cool guys. So with this, I'll stop it for today. So we have completed today for the string concatenation, and then after that, the post, pre-increment and decrement. So tomorrow we are going to start with if conditions and then the loops, all those things. Okay, so most probably if condition, loops, all those things. So I just want to make sure you guys are actually coming for this Thursday and Friday for sure. Okay, because we are going to talk about the logics and all those things. Okay, so first tomorrow we will see how to use if condition, all the different kinds of loops that we have. Then after that we will see one by one how to sum some values over there, how to print continuous numbers, print even numbers, and Fibonacci, prime number, like that, how to build the logic and then do it. That's what we are going to see. So make sure you guys are coming. After that, on the Saturday and Sunday you guys can do assignments whatever I have given. Okay, okay, cool guys. So tomorrow we'll meet by same time. Thank you. Bye bye.